Hi, I'm Chris Tidy from Centurion Safety Products. I want to talk to you today about cleaning your face screen along with the Browguard system that it's maybe attached to, or it may be possibly attached to a helmet system. I'll just show you what I've got, which is a Browguard system with a screen actually attached to it. So first of all, before we actually start cleaning it, this is the Browguard face screen that you can see there. What we want to do is just detach it actually from the inside of our Browguard. Okay, the way to do that, we've got all these inner parts here that you can see, these little locator pins. Okay, so we're just going to pop it out basically of those locator pins like so. So it's just a matter of pushing with your finger the screen inwards. It's quite flexible, and then just obviously popping it out. So now we've got our screen completely loose. We can grab a wipe, and if you want to know anything about what wipes to use and what type of fluid to use, cleaning fluid to use, you can actually head over to our website here on the advice section, and there's actually a cleaning and maintenance presentation that you'll be able to see there. If not, at the end of this video there'll be a little web address bit that you'll be able to go. So anyway, on with the cleaning. So grab my wipe, and I want to clean obviously the outside of the surface that you can see there. Okay, and once we've cleaned the outside of that screen, we want to leave that agent, that antimicrobial agent that's contained within this wipe, to actually work for around sort of 30 seconds, something like that. Okay, so once your 30 seconds are up, really, if there's any sort of excess moisture, you can damp it off. In particular with the screen, obviously you don't want any of that sort of misting and fogging on there. So once that's dried off, you can just wipe it off with a damp cloth. Okay, in this instance I'll just use a bit of kitchen roll that I have here, but of course any paper towel or anything like that could do. Now if you fancied using a solution, blatantly obviously you just spray the outside of the screen there. Okay, you'd allow that to actually activate on there, and once you've waited that 30 seconds again, any excess moisture you'll just sort of take off of that screen. Okay, and then allow it to just air dry. So just take off the excess moisture and then allow it to air dry. Okay, so just pop that down for a second. So the Browguard, you can see actually there, the headband, sweatband that you'll see is replaceable. Okay, so you can actually buy new ones of those, and the same with our helmets. So if you have a helmet mounted visor, you can obviously replace that part. So again, if you're using a wipe, obviously you'd wipe over all of those flat surfaces, and again giving it that 30 seconds to actually activate, making sure you're getting all the nooks and crannies. Okay, and I'll just take that off a little bit there. If you was using a spray, obviously just spray it over spray, and again using like a bit of kitchen roll or some paper towel, you can just take off the excess moisture after 30 seconds. Remember, take off that excess moisture, and it'll obviously allow that to air dry as well, especially where you might have got your sweatband actually damp. Okay, so when we're fixing it back together, our screen, we just locate into our end pins there. We just sort of squeeze it around like that into there, and just sort of tuck it in like that. And once we've got it in that position, we can just bend it round on the inside of the screen, and then just tuck it and lock it actually into our locators. Okay, so that's our screen actually back on again. Okay, so that's the cleaning and maintenance guide really of our face screen on our Browguard system. But of course that would include if you was using a face screen, as I said before, on a helmet mounted system. If you need any more information, head over to our website. Over there, click on the advice bit, and you'll be able to then get some more information on that cleaning and maintenance. Okay, so I've been Chris Tidy. Thank you very much for watching. Take care, but most of all, look after yourself and stay safe.